Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a beautiful buttercream marble ombre effect with a chocolate drip on top. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So for this particular cake, I use buttercream, and the link will be in my description box down below, and it will actually bring you to my blog. And in my blog, I have other recipes out there that you can go and check that out. Also, this particular cake, you can also do it with Swiss meringue buttercream, and I actually gave the recipe in last week's video, Sunday, so you can go ahead and look at that. I actually linked it, I think, also down below, and if I don't, because I forget, I'm so sorry, just go to my previous video and you will see the link of the Swiss meringue buttercream will be there also. But this particular design can be done both buttercream or Swiss meringue buttercream. It works well also. So very simple, crumb coat, pop it in the freezer, bring it back, second coat of white buttercream, and then you're going to pop it in the freezer 5 minutes, and then you're going to do bottom dark shade, whatever shade that you want, and then second color, you're gonna basically take that dark shade and then mix in some white, so you're gonna create a lighter shade of that color, and then you're gonna put it in the middle, and then the top will be lighter to almost all white for the top. And then you smudge it with your spatula in between, so it's kind of like going to have like a nice ombre effect. And then with your cake spatula, you're just going to scrape off until you like the effect. And if ever you're not pleased with it, you can just go back and then add some more buttercream, and then just add it until you're satisfied, and then remove it until again you're satisfied. So, and then once that's done, you're going to splash over your cake with a little bit of metallic paint. I use rainbow dust. You guys know this by now. Why I use this one? Because it's 100% edible, so I just love it, and it comes in different shades, by the way, and this is not sponsored, but I keep saying in all my videos they should sponsor me by now. So, but anyway, I really like the product. It comes in a liquid form already, but when you want to splash it or spray paint it, I find that it's too thick, so you kind of have to liquefy it. So you can use a little bit vodka, and if you're not comfortable with vodka, you can use lemon extract, and then you can go ahead and then just splash it or airbrush it for other designs. Not this particular design, this is just splash. So once you mix it in with a little bit of vodka or lemon extract, then you can go ahead and then just create like a movement like this, whatever that movement is, and then it's going to create a splash. And yeah, once you have that, you're going to place at the top some chocolate ganache, and then that chocolate ganache, make sure that your cake is completely frozen, so like that when it's going to drip, your chocolate is going to drip, it's going to come hard, and it's going to stay hard, or else it's just going to drip down and it's going to go to your cake board, and then you're like, oh. So if you want that nice drip, make sure that your cake is really frozen, and you just put it on top, and then you can go ahead and use the same product and then paint over it. And then for the top, you're just going to place your beautiful flowers on top, making sure to make it food safe. So I always cover them with floral tape, and you can also use straws in your cake to basically, you're going to insert your straw, and then you can place your stem inside your straw, and then it's going to look like the flower is directly into your cake, but it's actually not. It's kind of a way of cheating. And so you can do that for the sides or at the top, and also you can use a little bit of buttercream. So you just pipe a buttercream and then you place your flower on top, so like that you get a protection between your flower and your cake. You have that buttercream that is there. And yeah, so but always have the stem covered with floral tape. Floral tape comes in green, white, and another color that I forgot, but yeah. And then you can go ahead and then place macaroons just to give it a nice beautiful touch, and that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.